Hey you guys, hey girl, hey, what is up? It is your girl Tash and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize right now, you guys. I have had a little too much coffee today and I'm super duper hyper, but it is time to go ahead and get into yet another Dollar Tree haul. I'm excited because y'all are excited. I don't know why, you guys just love these videos. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright you guys, starting in no particular order, I have this big bag of stuff here, and we're gonna go ahead and get through it. If you have never been here for one of my Dollar Tree hauls before, what's up again? Hey, my name is Tash. I hope that before you leave today, you'll hit that subscribe button, as well as the thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video, or if you love a good Dollar Tree haul. Alright you guys, so first thing is first. Repurchased. I buy these every time I go to the Dollar Tree. I love cleaning everything with them pretty much when I'm doing dishes. They just make everything go a lot faster. I feel like I'm always in a time crunch, so it just scrub, boom, I'm done. I love those. The next couple of products are semi-repurchases. I just got different colors and whatnot like that. So I love these microfiber kitchen towels. They last a super long time and I feel like they do a really good job drying off my hands and stuff really quickly when I'm ready to, you know, get the heck out of the kitchen and whatnot. So I picked up 2 more of these. I also really love their microfiber dish towels. They come and they have this little backing on them, so they do a great job of scrubbing the dishes as well. And they're super cheap. You get 2 in a pack. They have all different kinds of colors: blue, red, burgundy, this color, a beige color, teal. I mean, pretty much everything that you have in your kitchen, it's going to match. So I picked those up. So I picked up some super duper cheap pot holders at the Dollar Tree that I do not recommend. I'm gonna post that haul up here so you guys can check it out. Basically, the last time we picked up something out of the oven with it, it burnt it burnt this thing, but it wasn't these. So I picked these up to see if they're any better. They feel a little bit better and higher quality made, so I'm hoping that these work better than those did. The ones I'm referring to are more of a solid color and come from the same line as the dish towels that I just showed you. So Nick and I are big coffee buffs, so I'm switching from the wine decor that I was using because when we first got together, we liked a lot of wine. I mean, we still do, it's just we don't really dabble in that as much as we do coffee. So I'm gonna switch us over to coffee, and I thought these were really cute. I picked up 2 of the oven mitts as well to match, and I actually like these ones that are decorated. They're pretty thick for what they are, and I feel like they last a good amount of time. I don't burn my hands and whatnot when I'm reaching into the oven like I do with the solid color ones. So I'm gonna say I don't recommend the solid color ones. I do recommend the print. Reaching into my basket of goodies, I love these Lance peanut butter crackers. Now, I will say, if you take a pack of these Lance crackers versus the ones you can get at Walmart or, you know, any other grocery store, there is a difference. I don't know why they're different, but they're different. But nonetheless, these are $1. They're 4 packs, and I think you get 6 packs of crackers in here. So, great to throw in a lunch, snack on, whatever. And the kids love them. The next 2 products are repurchases. If you guys don't remember that Dollar Tree haul, check it out here. I use these to organize my jewelry. They're only $1. They're real nice, sturdy plastic. And what I love about these, you guys, and I'm gonna show you right now, is when you go like this. So like if you're traveling with this, or if you're moving and you pack it in a box and it gets put upside down, your jewelry's not gonna go all over the place. I have one right here, full of jewelry. It does a great job. I can see everything and it's just super organized. You can fit a ton, and I mean a ton of jewelry in here. So you can go like this. It's not getting all mixed up. Voila, it's still in the same organizer space that you used. So these are great. I find these in the section where they sell school supplies and stuff. I think these would also be really good if you're a nail buff like myself and you want to, you know, store your reusable nails and stuff like that in here, as well as arts and crafts, kids stuff, little pieces that go to their toys and stuff. This would have been amazing back in my Barbie days, especially for like the shoes and stuff like that. So all right, so the next product that I picked up, I was really excited to find at my Dollar Tree. I have noticed, you guys, those of you out there that are looking for newer products and stuff like that, that you cannot generally find. If you go to a Dollar Tree store that is newer, they tend to be the ones that are ordering the newer stuff, in my experience. So this is the Personal Care Super Smooth Shave Cream. It is in lavender and jasmine. And I do have another one. This one is in pomegranate and raspberry, and these are dupes for the EOS shave cream. So I'm really excited to try these out. They are 7 ounces for $1. So you cannot beat that. I've actually opened one of them. I think it's this one. They smell amazing and they're like a thick lotion. So they're really gonna give you that close shave like a conditioner would and whatnot. So yeah, I highly, 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 highly recommend these if you can find them. All right, next product I was really excited to try and I was blown away to find. This is the Freeman Beauty Infusion Mask Primer Micellar Water. Now y'all know that Freeman is sold at 5 and below, which again, surprised to find it at a discount store because they are a very well-known, very popular company that's been around for years. So I found this. It is 12 full ounces. I have not tried this yet, but I will keep you guys posted. They are selling this at the Dollar Tree. Next product is a repurchase. Y'all know I love these, but if you are new here, let me tell you why I love them. Number one, these allow me to keep my fake press-on nails on for 2 weeks at a time. Also, they have this area of the glove that it's kind of like, you know when you wash your makeup brushes and whatnot, it's got that little ridge on there so you can take the other glove and use it to get all the makeup out of your makeup brushes. Obviously, I recommend you using 2 different pairs. You don't want to use the same one you're washing your dishes for on your makeup brushes because that's kind of gross. But yeah, these are only $1. They last a super long time if you take care of them and keep them dry. And yeah, I love them. The next product I picked up is the Redbird handcrafted candy. It's kind of like that old style vintage candy. This is the peppermint puffs. I really like these, especially when I get like an upset stomach or things like that. Peppermint does a great job at keeping that at bay for me. The next product is from Sassy and Chic, and these are a pair of their nails. Now you'll notice I do have 3 different pairs here. Ladies, if you are like me, you love press-on nails, but you have oddly shaped nails on both hands that don't match, like say this is a size 5, this is a size 4, so on and so forth. You have to pick up several of these because there are only 12 pieces in here and there is only, I think, 6 different sizes. So I have found that for me to be able to wear these, I do have to spend $3 and buy 3 packs, but I don't mind simply because it's still a lot less than you're gonna pay for Kiss, Impress, any of those brands at the regular drugstore. The other thing, let's see, repurchase is this facial toner. It is a hydrating facial toner. It's a watermelon and aloe by Bolero. You guys, this is an amazing toner for only $1. Now I do wish that they made bigger sizes for like $2 or $3, but it's $1, just buy several. It's 4 ounces. It truly is hydrating, and if you like that watermelon scent, it's amazing. It's not too powerfully over-scented. Is that a word? Powerfully? I don't know. Anyways, it's not too powerful and where it's going to linger and things like that. So if you are sensitive to smell or you have sensitive skin, it's a great product for you to try. It even says it is good for sensitive skin. So Next product is by Assured, which is a Dollar Tree brand. This is their Spearmint and Menthol scented foot soak. Now I was just gonna go ahead and get some regular Epsom salt, but this is Epsom salt too, I guess. So I have tired and achy feet that swell, my legs swell. You know, it happens. So I thought this would be really good to soak the feet in after a long day. And that peppermint and menthol, it's just gonna be heaven, I'm telling you. It's only $1, and I think you get a whole pound of this. So yeah, great buy. Next product is a repurchase. These are the Raid 4-pack of fly ribbons. You can find these in the section where they sell laundry items and cleaning supplies and things like that. Sometimes we get gnats when it's hot outside, and so yeah, these are great. I mean, need I say more? Next product is a repurchase. This is in the aisle with like cards and things like that for birthdays, birthday party supplies. It's just their heavy duty plastic Poultry set. I got the yellow because it's super cute. You guys know why I like plastic silverware sometimes, especially when I'm eating cold stuff or yogurt. I like plastic spoons. I cannot stand the sound of silverware hitting my teeth. It just makes me cringe. So let's see. Next product is trash bags. You can get the 4-gallon. They are scented. They're not super duper scented and where it's like overpowering like some of the trash bags at the regular store. But you do get 40 bags in here. You get the little twisty ties if that's your poison. And they're just affordable. And I use them in my studio especially. Also, I picked up this one. This is 8 gallons. And this one is lemon scented. This is for our bathroom trash cans. And then we got some more batteries. If you're new here, I use these in my items in the bathroom, like my facial cleanser brushes and things like that. And surprisingly, these little cheap $1 Sunbeam batteries last me months for my brushes, and I use them daily. So moving on to the next two. So I don't know what I was thinking, but I found these Royal Norfolk Poultry steak knives at the Dollar Tree, and there was only 2 packs left. For some reason, our steak knives keep disappearing. So you guys know stuff like that can be super expensive when you're getting into things like this for your kitchen or pots and pans, things like that. I don't recommend buying pots and pans at the Dollar Tree if you find them, unless it's another brand like this. Now these are actually sold in other stores, you know, like regular stores, department stores, things like that. But this one, it looks like was actually packaged for the Dollar Tree specifically. So I will let you guys know how these perform. I mean, obviously I don't expect these to last a super long time, but until our steak knives show up from wherever they disappeared to, hopefully these will hold us over. The last and final product that I can recommend you guys buy at the Dollar Tree is notebooks, unless, you know, it's that back to school time where notebooks are on sale for like 89 cents, 79 cents, 59 cents. I use these for my YouTube stuff. When I'm uploading videos and things like that, there is a lot of information to keep track of, and I always try to make sure that I don't miss anything. So I put everything in a notebook while I'm working on my videos. These will last me, let's see, there's 120 pages, so 120 videos. All right, you guys, that is it for today's haul. I know I talked super duper fast, but a lot of you seem to really enjoy these Dollar Tree hauls, and I had a few minutes today, so I wanted to get it out for you. If you are new here, again, I hope you'll stick around and hang out with us. Go on and check out my Dollar Tree playlist. I also do makeup videos, beauty and lifestyle, some skincare. We're going to be getting into some vlogs soon, so stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys, as always, for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. I love you guys to the moon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!